Hi, my dad made this cool bow and arrow, and see, he sharpened this, but now it's all flat because it fell in some grass. But now this little notch here goes right here. And these little notches here go on this little spear thingy here. So then go this on here. Hold this with your thumb.
This was the dog that had got chewed by it, and he saw it.
And you put this here, there.
And then he saw me. That was there.
Oh yeah, that was awesome.